Hey everyone, this is teacher Harpreet. I hope you are all doing great. So as we are doing our manipulative skills unit, we need some props and equipments to perform those manipulative skills. So today we'll be making the ball with papers. So the final outcome of the ball will be like this.
So you need to the ball when you fold it up like this. Very easy to store it also. When it is done, it look like this. It looks like this when it is done, and you need to just blow it, inflate it.
So when you inflate it, when you blow it, it will become like this. So you can use for throwing and catching and other skills. Isn't it cute? So let's see how to make this ball. You can use any paper available at your home. I'm using A4 sheet here. You can take any size of paper which is available. So basically we need a square. So I'm folding the paper this way to get a square. I'm sharpening up the edges and I'm gonna trim the extra paper which is here. You can see I'm folding it and I'm gonna trim it, cut it with the scissor. Now you will be getting a perfect square shape paper, and now we are going to fold it this way and we'll get a triangle. Make sure you fold the paper properly and perfectly to give a good shape to our ball. Once we have folded the paper this way, unfold it, and now you have to fold it again this way. Make sure you are folding it properly again so that our ball will be in perfect shape after we inflate it. Now you need to fold the paper this way. It's a triangle. Now with it from the triangle we are going to get a square again. So first we had a square shaped paper, we turned it into the triangle shape. Now again we are folding it and we'll get a square again. So cool, isn't it? You need to now fold these wings like so. Like you need to repeat it for all the 4 sides. After the folds it will look like this, and now you need to fold the wing and secure it under this triangle. You need to apply little glue and secure it. Repeat this on other 3 sides of the ball. Make sure you secure it with the glue and just leave it for some time so that the glue will get dried and our ball will be ready to use. You can see a small hole over here, so we'll blow through this to inflate the ball. After inflating the ball, it will look like this. I hope you have enjoyed making your own paper ball activity. So that's all for today. See you when you see me back. Bye-bye.